So I didn't think I was going to be making a video today, but I didn't want the day to go by without, saying anything or just kind of voicing. I wanted to just talk about how this person had an impact on me, because the legacy left behind, I believe, should be in a very good place. For that, of Virgil Abloh, who's passed away today, 28th of November 2021. I think shocking for the most of us, based on the fact that Virgil was kind of like a superhero in most young designers and artists' minds, just because he was the type of guy to be working on a million things at once. And not in my wildest dreams would I have thought that he was battling something so harsh for the past 2 years. And it's crazy to think that someone that of an inspiration is now gone, and we won't be able to see future works or see what he's always what he has on the horizon. And I just wanted to talk a bit about how Virgil was such an inspiration to me as a young artist, just because he's one of those people that just was placed on this earth to inspire others and just break boundaries. And for me, Virgil, he was the epitome of an artist that did a bunch of different things. And growing up, I always wanted to be a fashion designer, and traditionally you're labeled by what your career, by your relationships. And Virgil really inspired me and a bunch of others to show that you didn't really have to be labeled by anything. He's a traditionally an architect, but he ran he ran arguably the most notorious fashion house in the world. And he just showed me that you don't have to be succumbed by one art form, and you can really just do whatever you want and whatever makes you happy and what makes you feel creative. And just showing that, just seeing how he pushed a culture that I was so passionate about, and that I love so much, and just seeing how he just inspired so many people is it's just crazy to see him gone right now. I think for me, it's the thing that I'm learning now too is I just wish I appreciated his art form when he was here more. I think as artists, as people, are always self-critical about what we think should have been, or and I guess we just don't realize how good we had it until it was gone. And Virgil, he changed the landscape of fashion. And he was a fresh of breath air for fashion, and he inspired me in a million ways I can't even describe. So yeah, I thought I'd just say something, just because legacy wise, Virgil should be second to none on himself as a person. He was he was an inspiration for me, and I know for a lot of others. So I just wanted to come on and say this, and it just didn't feel right without showing how he's inspired kids of my generation and myself. So yeah, sad day, guys, but it's just weird, it's weird how life happens like this, and it kind of just things change like this, the most unexpected. But I'll be praying for his family, I'll be praying for his friends, and That's all I gotta say. I'm still in shock, but I know I have, impacts of him, left in my life that I will appreciate dearly, and that's all I gotta say. Rest in peace, Virgil. Thank you, brother.